Hello, this is Cooking with Ryan, and I just wanted to let everyone know what we're making today. We are making this Duncan Hines 6-inch pan double chocolate chunk. So first we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. There's one. And a second one. And then we also need 2 tablespoons of water. Okay. Then we're going to grab this bad boy right here. Take our spoon. We're going to mix that bad boy up. Really get a good stir, at least 30 seconds. Make sure it's all broken up, nice and even. Maybe a little more water. There it is. It's maybe more than 2 tablespoons of water. Once it's about even, you can start pouring your cake mix into your bowl. Try to get absolutely everything in there. Push her down. Try to make it even as possible. You know what? That's what we're going with. And then you put 2 minutes on the microwave. Hit start and watch it rise. So that's been about 2 minutes. Let's go check out this masterpiece. Oh,
It smells fantastic.
oh. I wish you could smell the aromas, but it's chocolatey goodness. It's a little warm. That was magnificent. Join us next time when I have 2 special guests. If you guys would like to do this at home, comment below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.